Okay, this thing's videoing. Hi! We moved the babies into the living room. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. We also know their genders now. This one is Copy, I think. Ditto, because these two look identical. That's Shadow, trying to get one of them to play with him. Specifically Savannah. No, Savannah's up there. I think that one's... I haven't named you. I thought there was 4 of you. I need to figure out a name for that one. Anyway, that one's Dusk. Nightshade. Haven't named you yet, but you're cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7's back here somewhere. I'm trying to find them, but they're everywhere.
Coco?
Hi.
He's
trying to eat. Yep.
They put her up there.
She's so cute. She's like, what? I get a really cool view from up here. Hi, Savannah.
Oh,
This is called a camera.
kittens.
Interested. She's like, what is this thing? Hi, Mama. Yeah. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. And keeping track of their names is impossible. So all the ones that look identical, we're going to have to put name tags on.
I know, huh? They don't, but they have to stink.
You aren't supposed to be over here. Over there.
They all look different to me.
No, they all look very similar. Shut up, phone. They're so cute. They're literally everywhere.
Wire ribbon for that, though.
Yeah.
It can't be thin ribbon, and it can't be the gift wrap ribbon.
Ooh, that would work. I can write their names on it. We could always use white.
Why? You got pink and blue right there. Paper girls.
There.
I'm dropping stuff.
What's up? I am still videoing. Hi. Say hi, Grammy.
Coco, you might want to stay the fuck away from her right now. Like, seriously, stay away from her.
Me? Or the dog?
Coco, the cat.
The dog.
Since when is your name Coco?
Oh, I didn't hear the name you said. Also, she is getting really angry that he's anywhere near her babies. I'm going to move this one away from you, Coco, before she kills you. Yeah, she literally tried to kill the dog.
Coco?
So he really wants to play with the babies, but she's like, yeah, I will kill
What the
you.
heck they are. They're small and they keep coming over to him trying to figure out what he is. Look. Okay, now leave him alone for a minute.
Anyway,
Let him
not
explore
entirely
the
sure if my
dog.
face is in video, but
Because they
bye.
recognize my smell.